The barrel sauna. Why it's recommended for your physical and mental health. A barrel sauna is one of the best ways to relax and tone, and you don't have to break the bank. You must sigh right now when you remember how relaxing the sauna can be. Imagine all the relaxation and feeling of being away from everything but the comfort of your own backyard. So why a barrel sauna instead of a regular sauna? In this video, you can learn how barrel saunas are great for your physical and mental health. Here are some of the benefits of outdoor wood saunas. So, what is a barrel sauna? Barrel saunas are systematically designed to be more space and energy efficient than traditional saunas. A barrel sauna is like a large barrel turned on its side. Barrel saunas are more space efficient than regular saunas, meaning they can fit almost anywhere and save a lot of space in your garden. But it can even be energy efficient. How does it save energy, you might ask? Because no interior space is wasted, barrel saunas require less time and energy to heat up to the desired temperature. Also, don't forget how aesthetic a barrel sauna is compared to a traditional sauna. Barrel sauna benefits for physical health. You might also additionally have heard that saunas are properly on your fitness. However, you could now no longer realize precisely how properly they are. The fundamental concept of a lawn sauna is to take a seat down in an enclosed area with dry warmth. This dry warmth will have numerous fitness advantages for the body. Pain and detox. Dry heat and saunas help both relieve pain from profuse sweating and remove some toxins. Cardiovascular health. Countless studies have been conducted to prove the health benefits of dry heat for cardiovascular health, including in individuals diagnosed with cardiovascular disease, lungs and airways. Using a backyard sauna can help with weaning and opening the airway. This is especially beneficial for people with asthma or asthma symptoms. People with chronic pain will find the use of an outdoor sauna very helpful. Mental health benefits of barrel saunas. It may sound like too much to say, but the mental health benefits of barrel saunas can greatly improve your daily life and should not be overlooked. We all know the therapeutic benefits of a sauna soak, but the mental health benefits don't end there. Break a sweat and release your stress. A barrel sauna can help lower the levels of stress hormones in your body, giving you a sense of relief when you step out of your backyard sauna. Similarly, sweating in a barrel sauna can also help reduce anxiety. Additionally, sauna use can help reduce symptoms of severe depression and chronic fatigue. There's a reason saunas are so healing, and using a backyard sauna can improve your mental health in multiple ways, reduce your risk of dementia, and help you sleep deeper. The potential health benefits of saunas are numerous, but many people are unaware of the health effects of saunas. As a conclusion, I think that a barrel sauna in your own backyard not only makes you feel more comfortable at home, but it can have a huge positive impact on your daily life and health. After the pandemic, using a sauna in public has become increasingly difficult, but that doesn't mean you should give up some of its essential health benefits for your mental and physical health. What health benefits have you noticed from using a barrel sauna? Comment your thoughts below and share all the things you know that could benefit from using a backyard sauna more often. Don't forget to share this video with others, and also don't forget check another cool videos related to healthy life that you love.